Hyo ice makers help you actively have daily sources of pure ice cups. The machine is integrated with the modern technology, which helps to save energy and reduce costs by 60% in comparison to buying ice from outside. Hyo ice maker is manufactured by the assembly line, applying Italian technology, certified by ISO 9001 by 2015. The machine utilizes 100% imported components following the CE marking standards. HA30 is widely used in many coffee chains, property chains, restaurants, hotels, including Cong Cafe, Feeling Tea, King BBQ restaurants, and more. Hyo Ice Maker integrates display functions in Vietnamese along with a smart signaling light. HA30 has the capacity of 30 kg per day, 80 minutes per production round. The ice container has the modern and convenient slider. Ice cups produced are clean, long-melting, and sediment-free. It's much better than other ice cups produced normally. Ice cups produced are certified by the Ministry of Public Health and the Pasteur Institute.